I'm like, can we have this at the wedding? He's gonna be here forever.
Forever.
It's Mrs. Hunter Orca, our wedding planner. I can look back on my life and be like, yeah, the Lord was in it. Yep, the Lord was in that too, you know? This one's my favorite. There's a cookie. Okay, so this is one Maddie is letting me borrow. It is so cute. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanine Amapola. If this is your first time coming to my page, and I look a little crusty because I have not done my makeup yet, but welcome back to my channel. I try to post every single Monday, which I know I'm not the best at, but I hope you guys will stick around for more of my vlogs. If you're returning, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys know, I am engaged, and I guess I've made it my entire personality. I don't know, but it is all consuming right now because it's the season I'm in. And in today's vlog, I'm going to just be bringing you guys along with me on food tasting for the wedding. I am packing for my bachelorette trip tomorrow in San Diego. That will be a separate vlog, so stay tuned for that. But today we are doing a food tasting. I'm getting my nails done for my bachelorette weekend because they are rough. And I'm gonna be showing you guys kind of some things I'm bringing with me on my bachelorette weekend. So that's gonna be a whole nother separate vlog. So just like I said, stay tuned for that. So let's just get right into today's vlog. It's going to be a busy one, but a good one. So before I start the day, I love to just always have my little to-do list. So I'm writing my to-do list for today. There's a lot to do today. It's already 10:45 and I am leaving for the food tasting at 12:45-ish. So I got a lot to do in that time, and I also need to do my makeup. My fiance's here. I really need to do my makeup.
You know, in less than 3 months, it's gonna be husband.
He's gonna be here forever.
Forever, dude.
Now I'm like, okay, bye, let me have my own bed, bye. And then you're gonna be in my bed forever?
In our bed forever.
Okay, it is time to get ready for the day. So I just got a new Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter sent to me, which was so sweet. I was actually out of mine, and I'm gonna try it today. So we're gonna first use the e.l.f. primer. I got a spray tan yesterday for the batch weekend because honestly the month of August in Dallas and in Texas in general is literally the worst month ever here. It is so brutally hot that you don't even want to be outside. So I haven't been really at the pool, haven't really been tanning, and honestly I'm just trying to protect my skin too. I'm using my little fan to dry this. So I kind of lost my color, so I was like, okay, definitely need a tan for the weekend, and I just want to feel extra confident having a little tan. So we're gonna see if this fits, but it should. So I love using this, and by the time this vlog is up, my bachelorette weekend will already have happened. And also, like, we're gonna be doing a ton of fun TikToks, Instagram content. It's just so crazy that this weekend is here. Like, for those that have followed me for a very long time, I just remember always feeling like when I would go to other people's bachelorettes, I would definitely feel a sense of jealousy because I was always the single girl there, or I was always the one that was like, this will never be me. And last year, or in the last 2 years, I've been in 4 weddings, and I was like, okay, sick. Like, this is always just gonna be other people getting kind of the thing that I've dreamt of, you know? And maybe you feel that way. Maybe you feel too like, oh, I'm always the bridesmaid, never the bride. And such a real feeling. Like, I'm here to validate that, say I see you, but you just don't know what the Lord's doing or who he's preparing or maybe why he's not allowing it to happen right now. And even though it was so frustrating being like, dang, will I ever get this? You know, I'm 29 and it may have come later to me in life, and I've gone through a lot of heartbreak in between to get here, but I genuinely like wouldn't change a thing because every single closed door has led me to the right door, which is my fiance now and the life I have now. And no, it has not been perfect. It has not been easy, but I still would I wouldn't change a thing. Like, yeah, maybe there's some minor regrets along the way, but ultimately, I just feel like God ordains everything at its perfect timing. I can look back on my life and be like, yeah, the Lord was in it. Yep, the Lord was in that too, you know? And so I just feel like God is not a God of mistakes. He is a God of being on purpose and very intentional, and he orchestrates things always for our betterment, you know? So we don't know what God's doing behind the scenes, and of course we may be like, really, another closed door, another heartbreak, another year of waiting, but man, how can we use this time well? How can you use the time well? And so just my encouragement for you guys. But it's just so crazy being in the season that I am and being like, I never thought I would get here, and there's still this little fear even inside of me that's like, oh no, this is gonna end or something's gonna go wrong in between, because I just have this fear that it's gonna be taken away from me, which it's not. But I think having having gone through a lot of situations like that where it did, that's how it feels. Maybe you guys can relate. So I'm just excited. I'm excited for all the things. It's been really fun bringing you guys along with me of this crazy season. The wedding is in November, so we are literally like 2.5, no, less than 3 months out. So I'm just trying to really milk this season, enjoy it, be present, have fun, and just, you know, savor the season that I'm in. And as always, thank you guys for being a part of the journey, truly. I mean, honestly, the pinnacle of life is not marriage. Marriage does not equate to success or completion or full identity being fulfilled. However, it is such a good thing. It's the thing that the Lord gives us and isn't promised, but it's a gift to us, you know? And I'm thankful that that is going to be a gift for me. But, you know, life doesn't just start whenever you get married, you know? So as an encouragement to you guys, marriage is such a great thing, but it doesn't mean that your life is fulfilled or complete just because you're married. So I believe that God can so use a marriage for his kingdom, but he can still so use you apart from a marriage too, if you let him. Okay, so here's what I'm wearing right now. I'm about to change, but I just got these jeans from Abercrombie. Had to roll them because they're a bit long on me, but I love the way they fit up here, and I love the straight leg fit, and I wear them a lot with my Converse and stuff. So these are from Abercrombie. I'll have them linked below, as well as I got these ones from Abercrombie. These are the 90s relaxed. I got them in 25 long because my legs are a little bit longer, but they're so cute. But I am not going to wear this to the tasting, so let's try something else. Okay, I decided I'm going to use this dress from Lulu's. I just got it the other day. I thought it was really cute, and I wanted to go a little bit cuter since we're going to be getting some content. And when else am I going to wear this dress? So here it is. Okay, you're probably like, where are you? So I'm in the 4th room. This is just like a storage room that really should just be a guest room. But for the Bachelorette weekend, I am packing all the gifts for the girls, and I don't know how I'm going to bring all of this, but as you guys can see, Tarte was so sweet and got all my bridesmaids gifts. So I am packing all of this stuff. It has a goodie bag, ton of stuff, and as well as Elemis skincare. So they sent over these boxes. I am providing my girls already bag, like toiletry bags. So I may take everything out of these bags, but it looks like this. Oh my. I'll show you on the side. This is everything that comes inside of it. So I need to somehow fit all of this in this one suitcase and it not be over 50 pounds. Wish me luck. Why am I wearing my dress for this? I don't know. To save space, I'm taking everything out of these bags since like I said, I already am providing custom toiletry bags for everybody. And I'm just gonna put all the product in here. That should fit a lot better. Which these are so cute still. So we just pulled up to Vestal's Catering, and this is the company that will be doing the food for our wedding, and pretty much everything just catering, like bartending, food, all the things. We're so excited. So we're gonna be doing a tasting, which is honestly great because we're starving.
I have not ate today.
Yeah, I actually did eat. I had half a bagel and 2 eggs.
I have not ate today. Is that proper grammar?
I have not eaten.
You know, one of the first times
I have not eaten today.
When I first met your dad, I said that at lunch, and he corrected me.
I tried on wedding dresses there. Grace loves lace, but I didn't get my dress there. Oh, babe, I thought about doing our rehearsal dinner right back there because it looked really cool.
Sure, I can park right here.
Yeah, I didn't say not, but. Look who it is, everybody. It's Mrs. Hunter Orca, our wedding planner. Hello. Hi. I'm like, can we have this at the wedding? This is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, look. This is like a full chef's experience.
We also have Western displays. So the tortilla chips, the black bean dip, our salsa, our widow cheese, and then our lime wedges as well. Great. So this will be a little station apps. Your guys kind of like, so is this, what do you typically?
Good thing we came hungry.
Yeah, so kind of like a cheese roll like we did.
Ooh.
Yeah, okay. Just like that, but.
Yep. Yum. That looks so good. Does everybody do food tasting for their wedding?
We love a good private tasting.
That's so good. Oh, I love that. You won't even be able to eat this.
Can we?
I'm like, when do we eat?
So you're gonna be there the whole wedding. So you might.
We bring you, and maybe two. We bring you samples of all of this, especially when you come to sit down. You'll have everything in front of you. The bacon
Man, babe, try the bacon.
Which one is that? Oh,
The bacon. It's the best thing you'll ever have in your life.
It's so good. Yeah, that one.
Isn't that so good?
It's not like
My
newer,
God.
or this now it's really put it on.
I want that every day of my life.
It's so good.
Okay, so these are appetizers. We had already 4 out of 5. This one is the ceviche. Also, don't mind my nails. I'm getting them done later today. Here we go.
You hate seafood, so that's interesting.
No, I love this.
You like that. That's
I
good.
love shrimp.
I don't think it's on there right now, but I can.
Yeah, definitely gonna try this.
Something, an herb sauce, so you definitely do that one. Yeah.
Oh, we have more food coming. Oh, yay! Hello.
Alright, so this is y'all's seasonal salad. So it's our mixed greens.
Ooh,
our
love.
feta, candy pecans, apples, cranberries, with our Texas honey balsamic vinaigrette, and our bread and butter.
That looks right up my alley.
So our biggest argument in our relationship is I can't stand it,
I love it.
but I'm also allergic to tree nuts. So we probably should have said that. But
I'm in the doghouse.
I'm also willing to take one for the team. I don't need it.
No, everyone else can have it, but yours just doesn't.
No, that's fine. I don't particularly like need salad.
Okay, the last thing of the day is the dessert. This is like a little, what'd she say, strawberry something? You're eating the lemon one. You like the lemon one?
Yeah, it's fruit.
This is so good. This one's my favorite.
This cookie is the best.
There's a cookie. There's like a, what's this called? Churro? Churro. A little churro. Delicious. Big fan.
Good? Did y'all have to pay?
This one's my personal favorite. Okay, food tasting went so good. Loved the food. We're definitely going with this company now at Target, and Caleb is grabbing something. I'm getting last minute stuff for the weekend. I'm just grabbing some like letters because I'm gonna write all my bridesmaids a little letter, and I'm approaching the fall section. I can't wait to decorate for fall. I'm gonna decorate when I get back. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, love. So soft, wow. Okay, I need to leave. Okay, we're back home and Caleb wants to show you this burn he got yesterday. So Caleb, what'd you do? You burned it. First of all, okay, he tore his, no, you didn't tear anything. You blew out your cartilage, so he has a scar. Then he put this ice pack on his knee and it said, don't put it directly to your skin, and he did, which is okay, he didn't know. And it literally like burned your skin off.
Are we gonna, is my leg gonna get cut off?
You have to get it amputated, babe.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm actually worried.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah. You know the show 8 Below? Where it happens to his hand and they had to cut off his finger.
Baby, that was because he was in like -8-degree weather.
Yeah, the ice pack was -20.
Well, to solve that, we got you Aquaphor. Let's see if it works. Okay, so I got these for my bridesmaids. I'm gonna write all of them a letter. This was the best I could find, to be honest, but they're still really cute. I got Makeup Wipe, Oat Milk Creamer. We love this creamer. The best sticky bra in town. Check it out. I'll have it linked down below. And I also got a refill of my brow gel. Love this stuff. It's NYX Thick It Stick It. Okay, so now I am packing for my bachelorette weekend. I'm just trying on a ton of stuff. I already know mostly what I want. I tried on a lot. The theme is kind of toast on the coast, like blues, neutrals, whites. So I have a whole like color palette. So I'm wearing like a little blue swimsuit. And then this little outfit from Fabletics. For brunch, I'm using this cute dress from Commence. I'll try to have like all the links, but I do post a lot of links on my Like to Know It, my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following there. And I'll just show you guys some of the outfits I'm thinking of using and then finalize my bag, because better to just plan ahead so that I'm not just bringing like a ton of stuff for no reason, you know what I mean? Okay, so for one of the beach days, I'm gonna use, sorry, I'm trying not to show my girlies too much. I'm gonna use this swimsuit from Vecchi. Love their swimsuits. They actually were really sweet and they're getting all my bridesmaids swimsuits. This top from Abercrombie and then my Fabletics short. Love this linen. It's really good material. This will be for a beach day. Sorry, I had to move my camera. Okay, here's another one. This is also from Commence. It's really good material, but I wish it had pockets. It doesn't have pockets, so this will be another loungy outfit. Okay, I might wear this on the plane. This is an all-white linen outfit. This is from Abercrombie and Abercrombie, and everyone else is wearing black, and I'm going to be wearing white, so I think this is cute for the plane. Okay, this one is also from Commence. I did a order for it, and I'm really glad I did. It was a random boutique I found online that an Instagram ad sold me, and I'm really glad because it's super cute. So I'm gonna wear this on the last day when everyone's just traveling, going home, and I love this outfit. It's super comfy and totally fits the vibe. Okay, this one is going to be for the boat day. We do have a boat on Sunday, and we're doing kind of like just yacht vibes, and this just screams yacht to me. This is from Beachy Dolls. It's so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna be wearing this, and then I think my friend Penny bringing this for her. She's gonna match me by using this one. These are both from Beachy Dolls. Here's the other one I'm gonna bring for my friend, but maybe I'll wear this one. I don't know. I'm torn. You guys will see on Instagram what I pick. Okay, this one I love. It's from Park and Fifth. They sent this to me. I'm so thankful. You can tie this little bow in the front or the back. I think I'll tie it in the front though, just because it's too loose otherwise. And then I have my cowgirl boots. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Cowgirl boots on, and these are from Vichy. They have studs. I'm obsessed. This is for when we all like dress up and go dancing, and we're gonna go line dancing. Last but not least is this one from Lulu's, which I'm kind of leaning towards this one because it's a lot more comfortable than the other studded one I have. I'll probably bring both just in case. And I have my studded boots back on because I just really want to use them. This is also from Lulu's, but I'm torn. I don't know. I'm gonna just probably bring them all and see what my bridesmaids think. Last but not least, this is one Maddie is letting me borrow. It is so cute. I'm definitely leaning towards this one. It's just a wee bit too tight on me, as you guys can see, but I think it's so cute. I'm a little uncomfortable in it, like sitting after a while wouldn't be very fun, but I think it's so cute. I'm probably gonna bring this one with me, and we'll let the bridesmaids decide. Okay, so for now, that is everything. I'm actually even bringing clothes for my friends. I'm bringing this dress for my friend Penny, so I'll put that in there. I have still not decided what I want to wear for the cowgirl theme night with all those white dresses I showed y'all. I'm gonna bring two of my options and just let them decide because I'm a little torn, and I'm sad I almost can't wear both. I'm like, outfit change anybody? Anyway, now I'm gonna actually pack, and I have to write all the letters tonight, so I'm gonna go get my nails done at 7, pack, make sure this is all good to go, and yay. Okay, I'm back home. I forgot to bring my vlog camera, but my nails are back.
She's back, guys.
Are you excited?
You're a full-on woman again.
I feel like a woman again. Yeah, I did white chrome, and I love it. It's so fun. It's so like Bachelorette. So I'm back home. You were watching Suits, and
Freaking love that show.
we're actually eating our leftovers from the food tasting today.
I love Suits so much that I'm gonna start wearing a suit while I watch it.
Oh yeah?
I take notes during it.
You're funny. We're doing leftovers from today.
Bro, come
It was
on.
just that good. These cookies, unbelievable. I'm so excited for our guests to eat this at the wedding. Guys, we are all packed up, ready for the weekend. Both my bags are under 50 pounds. I'm really impressed. I'm so tired. Cannot wait to start this bachelorette weekend. So stay tuned for the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I will see you soon for another vlog, and peace out, Girl Scout. Bye guys.